Hello, Namaste to all. It's Sangeeta Pata. Welcome you all to Om Divine Healing Channel. Today I'm going to do a carding for this whole week, which is from Monday till Sunday. The card decks which I'm going to use today are the Romance Angel card deck, and another one is Notes from the Universe and the Abundance card deck. I'll start reading cards from the first deck, and the first card is Make the effort. Great love is worth taking. The steps you are guided to take. The meaning to this card is you receive this card because some action steps on your path are necessary in order for your prayers about your loved one to be answered. The angels have opened the doors for you, and now it's time for you to walk through them. The first thing that comes to mind with respect to taking actions is a good starting place for you. When you ask for spiritual help, you always receive it. Often this help comes in the form of intuitive guidance, which consists of repeated feelings and thoughts. You get the sense that you should do this or that. You receive this card as a nudge to actually take the action. You will then receive the next piece of the puzzle, meaning another intuitive message about what to do. If you like, you can ask the angels to give you the motivation, courage, time, and energy to take these steps. Know that each one brings you closer upon the pathway to great love. Anantaka, true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. The meaning to this card is you pull this card because true and lasting love is here for you. If your question was about a specific person, then this card serves a validation of the relationship's divine nature. This individual has genuine love for you, and you both can overcome the issues that arise. This is especially the case if you can express your feeling through attributes such as kindness, compassion, and courtesy towards each other. For instance, having honest conversations would be an expression of your true love, even if it involves discussing uncomfortable topics. If you are currently seeking a relationship, this card offers you assurance that true love is on its way. Keep the faith that a wonderful relationship is destined to come to you, and don't compromise with an unsuitable partner. It's essential that you treat yourself well by taking excellent care of yourself for the foundation of a true love. Relationship is two people who cherish who they are. Another card. Getting to know each other. As you relive your innermost lives to each other, your bond deepens. The meaning to this card is the romance angels are guiding you to create intimacy with your partner by reliving your true feelings, your dreams and desires, and the other innermost aspects of yourselves. You discover commonalities and learn new ways of relating. If you are presently in a relationship, this card is a message of healing through honest dialogue. This is particularly true if you have stuffed down feelings inside of discussing them with your partner. Perhaps sitting together with a counselor will give you the strength and support to admit them. Regardless, this card really guides you towards holding deep and honest discussions for the benefit of love life. Another card. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the biggest energy of all. The meaning to this card is this card indicates that you are protecting your heart from hurt because of painful relationship experience. However, the angels can only bring as much romance as you will allow inside. If you have a shield around your heart, how is love to get in? A closed heart repels the sensitive partner you are trying to attract. Following your inner guidance will protect you and simultaneously allow you to feel loved and loving. Trust your intuitive sense with respect to others' people's trustworthiness, and open your heart to those who are kind and gentle. Ask the angels to bring caring individuals, including a romantic partner, into your life, and they will do so, provided that you listen to and follow their guidance. Another card. Playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. The meaning to this card is The romance angel are cherubs who embody all things romantic and who have a happy, useful sense of playfulness. They delight in the wonders of love and ask you to do the same. The angels want you to help you fall back in love with life again by guiding you to enjoy yourself. This comes from a spirit of joy and adventure. The angels ask you, when was the last time you had fun? If you don't remember, then it's long overdue for you to add some play time into your schedule. The angels say that fun is necessity, not a luxury. The activity can be free of charge, such as exploring nature, auditing for a local therapeutical production, joining a community sports team, or trying something new. Playfulness is a good investment of your time as it will renew your energy levels and elevate your mood. Playtime is essential in relationship too, to keep the free-spirited component of dating alive. Plan regularly date nights with your partner and take turns creatively planning fun activities such as miniature golf, karaoke, walking through a flower garden, or flying kites together. Another card. Very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. The meaning to this card is. This card asks you, what do you want? And demands very clearly and specific answers. Just like putting in your order at the restaurant, the universe has been listening to your thoughts and feelings about your love life and has brought you what you asked for. When you complain about what is served to you, it's only because you place an unclear order. As soon as you are perfectly straightforward about what it is you desire, it comes to you upon the wings of angels in an instant. You drew this card because it's time for you to get clear and honest with yourself and formulate your requests with faith and optimism. Trust your feelings and make decisions for yourself about what is best for you. Now I will start reading cards from another deck, and the first card is the secret to getting rich is knowing that you already are and then acting like it. Do tell me who manages your assets and those gems. Are they real? Another card. The great thing about material things, those you have and those you don't, is that they never lie about what you have been thinking. What a relief, huh? Another card. Have you wondered if, when you just close your eyes, take a few minutes and redirect your thinking, the monsters might shrink, the greens might grow, and the floodgates might be trembling again? Another card. Reality is not that you are weak and dream of becoming strong, poor and dream of becoming rich, alone and dream of having friends, but that you are already strong, rich, and among friends. Yet at times you dream that you are not. Another card. Every single day, I am pressing out and reeling in the abundance you are making room for in your life. As I observe everything you think, say, and do, yeah, I am not so fond of the relying in part. So this was the card reading for this whole week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. To all my subscribers, people who are helping me to make this video, and people who are inspired to make this video, thank you all of you. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel, take care, lots of love, light and angel blessings. Namaste.